Hello everyone, this is Dr. Riya Jain, consulting from CMM, your foot doctor. Today's video, I will be answering a very important question. What is the effect of wearing a bad footwear? What issues can I face when I wear a bad footwear? It is a very genuine question, and so I'm going to answer this in this video. Generally, we see a lot of people sometimes compromising in terms of size of the footwear or the type of footwear that they choose, just because it's a little cheaper or easily available or it's for sale. So that's not always the right thing, is a wrong thing to do, because a wrong footwear, a wrong choice of footwear can affect the foot as well as the whole body in a lot of ways. So, how does that happen? Firstly, if you are wearing a very tight footwear, say for example, it may cause rubbing of the skin with the footwear, and that consistent rubbing may cause a lot of issues such as an infection, or it may also rub the nail of the toe, which may cause an ingrown nail. So these are the common issues which happens when you wear a tight fitting shoe, or it's not very good. So apart from that, sometimes you may also find that at the end of the day your feet is very swollen and fatigued. That could be because there was not enough space that you gave for the foot to move when you were working throughout the day, because it wasn't fitting you well. So if there is a compromise in the free space around the shoe and the foot, that could cause the circulation to be hampered, and that could cause swelling at the end of the day. Apart from that, in short term, we can also observe that you may develop something called as blisters or corns. Corn is basically a dry, dead, hard skin which develops if you wear a very if there is a consistent pressure being applied on one particular region due to wearing a very loose or a very tight shoe, because there is continuous sliding that happens on that area of the foot. So this can give rise to development of a corn, which can be very painful at times and may require medical attention. So this is another consequence of wearing an ill-fitting shoe. Um, and also, most commonly, what people come to us with is, I have a lot of pain in my foot, a lot of pain in my heel. Well, it's also because of the foot structure which gets altered due to wearing ill-fitting shoe. Coming to foot structure, if you have been chronically wearing the wrong type of footwear or the wrong size of footwear, you can also see effects going higher than the foot, like for example in your knee or in your back. um, so what happens is, because you've been wearing, the foot is not aligned properly. uh, the upper body compensates, the knees and the hip, they compensate to accommodate to the new position of the foot, which is developed due to wrong footwear. And this places a wrong type of forces on these other joints, making them more prone to injuries and pain. So we often see a lot of patients coming to us saying that I have back pain and I have knee pain. So when we are assessing them, we don't find any sort of injury in the knee, but the cause of the pain, the root is coming from the feet, because the feet is not aligned well due to either wrong footwear or due to either wrong structure of the foot since the beginning. So in the long term, also you can face a lot of issues in your other joints, or on your overall health, in terms of posture, in terms of back pain, in terms of your walking pattern, etc. So basically, you will be more prone to joint pains. So if you go to see, it's not a very good price to pay for. So let's invest a little more in the footwear and a little less in the issues that can happen due to ill-fitting shoes. Thank you.